Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and increase march size in Evony. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and increase march size in Evony. So in Evony, the King's Return march size determines how many troops you can send in a single march. A large march is especially useful for PvP, boss monsters, rails, and gathering. How to increase march size? Well, first of all, upgrade your march. Upgrade your rally spot. This should be your priority. A higher level rally spot directly increases your base march size, and percentage base march size buffs are calculated from the base. You can also go and complete the academy research. Go to academy, then military, and research for size technologies. You can use march size monarch gear, assign a rally spot to duty officer, improve your attacking general, use general equipment, use dragons or spiritual beasts, increase VIP, bank, and other permanent bonuses, and activate a temporary march size buff. So that's how you can do it. The best upgrade order for most players: prioritize rally spot, then academy research, then monarch research, then rally spot duty officer, then general or size book, then equipment dragon, and then other permanent bonuses. So that's what's the best for, of course, beginners. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.